So before we get into the demo, right? So let me introduce myself and our organization, right? So I am Srikanth. I have an experience of working in IT industry, 18 years. So I've been working in IT industry from 18 years. I have handled or worked in different roles, like I worked as a business analyst, product owner, and a Scrum Master. Currently, I'm at a manager level, handling few of the business analyst. Okay, so I started this IT career path in 2001, wherein we have trained, a number of students, close to in between 800 to 1,000 students on the business analyst and other courses what we offer. Okay, so basically our okay. So we have a team of real-time experience trainers, like how I have a real-time experience in business analysis and Agile and Scrum. Other trainers are also having their own experience in their own domain, which they have at least 8 years of experience in their the domain where they are working. Okay, and these are the courses which we offer: business analysis, Scrum Master, Tableau. So you guys are unable to hear me? I'm audible, guys?
Yeah, we can able to hear you.
Okay. Right. So these are the courses what we offer: business analysis, Scrum Master certification program, CSM. I mean, if you must have heard the professional Scrum Master PSM1. Okay, and we also do Tableau, mainframes, and Power BI. So these two courses I handle, a business analysis and the certified Scrum Master. I take care. So I am also a certified Scrum Master, and I am a Safe Agile Product Owner and Product Manager certified. Okay, that is also a certification. So we mainly believe on this strategy, which is a proven strategy for all the courses. Like once you select the course and you do enroll into the course, so you need to attend all the live classes. Once you're done, we'll help you in resume preparation and interview preparation. Okay, and post interview preparation, you can start applying your jobs, right? So this is a very much proven strategy for IT career path. So there are many number of people who got placed and who are also who got shifted their role in the internal companies. Like we have internal movements also. So people have also got a chance working along with their team in the internal companies on different roles. Okay, so here are some testimonials. I'll share the reviews in the WhatsApp group. I hope you guys are there in my WhatsApp group, right? So the main what how we share the free knowledge. Okay, so we use WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube. So these are the three modes of knowledge sharing platforms we use. So, but classes will be conducted on Zoom, which are live classes. Okay, I'll just explain you the we'll get into those class details and batch details in some time later. So I have Shenmukh, who is having vast experience in handling QA testing, automation testing, software automation testing. So he has a good experience in Java and plus Selenium and Cucumber and API testing. Rest assured, right? So all those things, Shenmukh have a good experience in all those areas, and he's also experienced in 8+ years in the QA automation. So I'll just, I'll hand over to Shenmukh, who will be the trainer for this course to go to walk you through the course content and everything. So once Shenmukh explains course content and everything, we'll discuss about the course duration and the batch start date. Okay. So Shenmukh, you can start sharing your screen.
Yeah, thanks, Srikanth. Thank you so much. Let me share my screen.
So at any point of time, you guys have any questions, please stop Shenmukh. Okay, you can ask your questions, or else if you are, if you do not want to stop, you can put your questions on the chat window. We'll answer that. Yeah, Shenmukh.
Yeah, you guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for confirmation. Okay, and first of all, thanks for joining for a session. Okay, and let me go for one by one step. And in this course, we are going to learn about automation testing training program. And first, I will introduce about myself. myself, Shanmuka, having total 8+ years of experience in IT industry, and it is completely into automation testing, and having both C# and Java languages knowledge, and currently working as a senior test automation engineer in a one good WordPress company. And again, I work on different projects, banking projects, and HCM domain, human capital management. Okay, these two domains I worked on, and having worked on both C# and Java, I can handle both C# and Java projects. And I worked on multiple testing projects like UI testing, API, database, performance. All these projects I worked on, and it's completely real-time projects. Okay, and again, in this entire course, I'm going to cover this kind of these concepts. First one, software installation, Java programming, and manual testing, UI testing, API, database, and different frameworks, and CA pipeline, and Git commands, and interview questions. Okay, I will explain each and every module one by one. Okay, first one, installation. Okay, and in this course I will explain how to install Eclipse and different frameworks, different Selenium web drivers, and again, for API testing we install a Postman tool. Okay, and again, for Java we install Eclipse, and for C# we go for Visual Studio. Okay, so in this course we are going for Java Selenium, so we are going to install Eclipse for Java installation. And the next one, Selenium. For UI testing, we should install Selenium packages, to Eclipse. So we will install different web drivers of Selenium, and different drivers, Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Hi driver, different drivers we install uh, in this course. And the next one, we have different frameworks outside, like TestNG, Page Object Model, a Cucumber, a Spectro, and I will explain how to install all these packages in the Eclipse solution, Eclipse project. Okay, and coming to API testing, that is backend testing, and in this course we will explain Postman tool, how to install Postman tool, and how to hit the API requests. Okay, and we will use a Postman tool for API testing in this course. And next one, Java programming. Okay, and for automation testing, the basic requirement was coding. Okay, uh, automation testers will also code. Will also do some coding in the projects, in the solutions. Okay, so Java program is a basic requirement to the automation testing. Okay, and in this Java programming, we are going to explain the OOPS concepts, strings, arrays, collections, and in collections we have different concepts: list, set, hash map, again tree map, dictionaries. Okay, all this we will explain. And and in the course, first, in the entire course, every day, first 10 minutes we will discuss about this Java programming only. We will solve at least one programming question in the first 10 minutes in every session. Okay, and again, Java programming is a basic requirement for any field, not only for testing, for development, for BA, for anything. It is a basic requirement nowadays. And again, we cannot survey only with manual testing. We should also have automation testing to survey in the market, or to be in the competitive in the market. Okay, so Java programming or C# program is a basic requirement for automation testing. Okay, and these concepts I will explain in the Java programming course. Okay, different problems, different questions, and interview coding questions I will explain in every 10 minutes in a in the everyday course. I will explain first 10 to 15 minutes about Java programming only, and the remaining time I will spend on the testing concepts. Okay, and second one, manual testing. Okay, and in this course, I will explain manual testing about how to write test cases or how to coverage test cases for a particular requirement, like positive, negative, boundary value scenarios. All this, how to cover all the scenarios for a particular requirement. Okay, I will explain all this coverage, and again, manual testing is almost is a functional testing, is a domain knowledge, or banking domain or HCM domains or any different domains we have in the market. Okay, how to for each and every domain we have different requirements. I will explain all these test cases coverage in this tutorial, and we have smoke, sanity, regression. Okay, I will explain this course, and again, uh, and we use and I will explain test rate tool for manual testing. Any doubts?
So
And
if you have any questions, please ask,
yes,
training program or on anything on the,
please,
technology side.
please feel free.
Hi,
Yeah,
hi, Shanmugh.
yeah, I see that.
Hi, I have a doubt. We heard that do we need an excellent coding skill for start an automation career?
We require basic coding skills, not any excellent or any advanced programming, but we need a minimum knowledge skills on Java programming.
And those
Oh,
things would be covered in the program, Srija.
Yeah,
So
yes.
basically, this training program, would be very practical sessions, right? Wherein, close to 70 to, 30% would be theory, and the rest of the things will get practical knowledge. And we'll also give you some case studies to practice, okay? So that you get
okay.
practical knowledge on how to code and, how to solve the testing solutions and everything. Okay, so basically this is combination of manual testing and automation testing. Only see in the market we cannot survive only with manual testing or only with automation. We should have knowledge on multiple activities, right? So world is now moving into automation, right? So there are a lot of opportunities on the automation perspective. Uh, you know, Mainly on the Java and Selenium, right? These both combination have a lot of job opportunities in the market. I mean, you can check in any job portal, not only in India, abroad also you have great opportunities on those, Java and Selenium portals. So because this is not only, any specific to any kind of product, okay? These are open sources, right? Java and Selenium, these are open source technologies. So these technologies are applied by multiple organizations. There are a lot of opportunities on this side. So practical knowledge you'll get from the training program. Okay.
And we will also explain how to code, how to write a code for a particular solution, particular problem. Okay.
Okay.
And for manual testing, we record these concepts in manual testing course. Okay. And we use test rate tool to write test cases. And nowadays, everyone is writing test case in the test rate tool, not in Excel sheets. So I will cover both Excel sheet as well as test rate tool. Okay. That's about the manual testing. And I will also explain the bug.
So test trial tool is to maintain all the test cases. Okay. So when most of the companies what they do, they maintain in Excel, but Excel that is manual work, right? Test trial tool is a tool to maintain all the test cases and everything. Okay, so if anywhere you get hired, you can also suggest this tool to your organization, wherein you can have a good impression. Okay, so yeah, we'll also cover that.
And we will also explain how to create a bugs, okay, and how to find a bugs in the particular application, particular domain, in which areas we should focus on. All the things we will explain in the manual testing. And next one, UI testing, UI automation. Okay, UI automation means it's a web page testing. Each and every web page is a UI testing. It's a UI user interface. Okay, and currently we have a good market on UI testing. Automate web pages is a it's a big question to couple of projects. So in this UI automation, we will cover Selenium architecture, Selenium web drivers, and advanced Selenium commands. And we can automate web pages using Selenium tool. Okay, and in Selenium tool, and we will explain the what is architecture, main types of Selenium. Okay, how many types we have, and total in each and every type we have different pros and cons, and I will explain each and every type. Okay, out of all the types, we will explain WebDriver commands in this course. Answer my question. I am in medical course, but not of interest coding.
Yeah, sure. You can continue. I'll answer that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks, Srikanth. And we will explain the WebDriver commands, how to interact elements in a web page like reader buttons, checkbox, or keyboard, or otherwise text box. All these things we will explain in the WebDriver commands. And coming to advanced commands means keyboard events more. And
So,
as I
sorry guys, I think there is some issue with the Zoom, I guess. Though it is a premium account, it is disconnecting. I'm not sure why. Okay. Yeah, Sharma, please go ahead.
as I continued before, and we are going to discuss about the Selenium architecture, WebDriver commands, basic commands like text, how to enter text in a text box, reader buttons, checkbox, and drag and drop. Okay, coming to advanced commands, we will discuss about the screenshots or keyboard events, mouse events, drag and drop, scroll bar, scroll down, JavaScript executor commands. All these things we will explain in the advanced Selenium commands. Okay, and we will also explain more concepts like test reports, how to get screenshots, and test reports. Everything we will explain in the advanced Selenium commands. And next one, API testing. And API testing means it's a backend testing. Backend of UI is a API, application programming interface. Okay, and in this testing, we will explain both manual and as well as automation. In API manual, we will install Postman tool, and we will explain the different requests in the API, like post operation, get operation, put operation, delete, patch, and catchy. All these requests we will explain in the by using Postman tool in manual testing. And again, we will explain different concepts like how to send a body in the request, how to send headers in the header part, and how to capture response, status codes. All these things we will explain in the API testing manual part. And again, and we are having different API methods: post, put, get, delete, catchy, and we have different token validations, token validation. All the things we will explain in this API testing program. And coming to automation, we will install Lest Client package in our Eclipse, and we will perform API testing automation. Okay, we will send the request and we will capture the response. We will validate the response in the automation using Rest Client framework. It is a predefined framework, and we will insert these packages, and we will use the predefined methods in the packages. Okay, and for API testing automation, we install Rest Client, and we will implement the automation for API testing. Okay, for manual Postman, for automation Rest Client. Okay, these things we cover in the API testing course. And next one, database testing. For each and every project, we have database as a default one. Okay, it may be UI, it may be API, it may be performance, any testing, any project. Database is a basic one. Every projects we have database. We should execute some commands, queries in the projects. So in this database testing, I will explain about the SQL commands like select, update, delete, insert. With different SQL commands we will explain in this course. And moreover, we'll also explain grouping, having, where cars, all these advanced SQL commands in this in this course. And we also explain joins, inner joins, how to join, left inner join, how to combine multiple tables into one table, how to get output from multiple tables. Okay, all these things you will explain in this course. And again, it is a basic requirement for every project, not only UI development or be anything. It is a basic for every projects. So we will explain it more clearly. And next one, frameworks. Okay, nowadays for automation testing, they're asking about the frameworks. Which framework are they using the current project? Which framework are they been using in the previous projects, previous companies? So these frameworks are very important in the automation testing course. And in this course we will explain test ng. The meaning was test next generation. And in this test in the framework we will explain different concepts like again, grouping, enable, different test cases, ordering, priority. Okay, all these concepts we will explain test in the. And where's Cucumber is one of the famous framework in market. And Cucumber is implementing the internally BDD framework, behavior driven development framework. And I will explain different scenarios in Cucumber, given, when, then, and example. Okay, everything I will explain this course. And again, how to give multiple inputs in a particular scenario in automation. I will explain all this in a Cucumber framework. And next one, POM, page object model. And it is a basic one. Everyone is using this page object model in their projects and in their solutions. So I will explain these three frameworks in automation. It may be UI, it may be API, it may be database. Anything I will explain these three frameworks in our course. TestNG, Cucumber, and page object model. Okay. And features in this entire course we will explain, and we will only embedded batch people, and daily we have web classes. And we will explain the real-time projects, real-time experience, real-time coding. We will explain. Okay. And I think the duration I think will be explained by the Srikanth.
Yeah.
And
So yeah, okay. So as Shanmugh mentioned, right? So this training course would be mostly on the practical basics because we have to teach you the coding and everything. 1 minute. With a we'll also give you some case studies to practice and a project to practice. Okay. So the duration of the course is 30 to 35 days, and daily it would be a minimum of 1 hour. Morning 7 to 8 IST the classes. So let me put that in notepad. I will share my screen. Okay, so class timings. Okay. Class time would be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Okay, so in EST it would be 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. EST, like USA and Canada. Okay, and we are thinking to start the batch on 15th, that is on day after tomorrow, Monday. Okay, and duration of the course is 30 to 35 days. Okay, it would be daily 1 hour, so 30 to 35 hours of the training program, which includes practical training and everything. After the training program, we will guide you on the resume preparation and the interview preparation. Okay, and the fee is 8,000, which includes everything like the installation of all the softwares and everything. This includes interview preparation, resume preparation, and the project and the case studies and everything. Okay, so if possible, we'll also say whenever your interview is getting scheduled, we'll also take some couple of mock interviews based on your job description. Okay, so that will give you some confidence to face your actual interview. Okay, so these are the details. I hope you guys are in my WhatsApp group. Let me share my contact number again here. Okay, so this is my contact number and this is my email ID. Okay, So if you guys want to talk additionally anything on the training program or on the course, you guys can talk to me. Okay, and I'll update the regular details in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so since this would be a limited batch and we are planning to start the batch from Monday, we'll be closing the registrations by Sunday. That is on by 14th, no, 15th. Today's Saturday, right? So we'll be closing the registrations by tomorrow. Okay, so if you guys, any one of you are interested to enroll, you guys can enroll to the course. See, this is the best time to enroll. Not only this technology, any technology you take, this is the right time to upskill. Okay, because most of the projects would be starting in the April. Okay, so if you get hired or if you get trained now on any of the technology, by the time April comes, you'll be get ready for the interviews. January, February, March, these are the very peak time for the hirings. Okay, because of the project and because of the people also will move from one organization to another organization. Okay, and course fee as mentioned here, course fee is 8,000, which includes all the things like resume preparation, interview preparation, and mock interviews. Okay, and yeah, so since we this course is also very good for the freshers, not only for the experienced, because since we are teaching you from the basics, right? Basics of Java, basic of SQL, basic of API testing, right? Basic of database testing and everything. So this is also a very good opportunity for freshers also to get into the IT sector. Okay, so you might be having some goal to get into IT sector, right? So for freshers also, this is very much useful. If you are interested in anything on the automation side, so this is the right time to upskill yourself. Okay. So any other questions you have on the training program? Okay. So if you guys does not have any questions, then we'll drop for today. Okay. You can contact me on my number. I'll also keep in touch with you in the WhatsApp group. If you guys are interested, you can enroll to the program. So Akash, it would be, I mentioned here 30 to 35 days. So there would be classes daily, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay. In dollars, it would be, let me check. I think, keep checking that, close to 100, right? This is 96.3, close to $100 in USD. Okay. If you're talking about Canada, $130 in CAD. Okay. So in EST, the class timings would be 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Again, that is on daily basis, Thursday to Friday. Okay, because our Monday to Friday is there, Sunday to Thursday. Okay. Any other questions here? Okay, so if not, we'll drop for today. Thanks everyone for joining the demo. Hoping to see you in the training program. Okay, thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining.
Bye.